Simplify the expression 3 times the square root of 20 minus 5 times the square root of 80 plus 4 times the square root of 500. Well, notice that our terms are not alike. They are indeed all square roots, but our values underneath the radicals are different, so we can't combine these terms as they are now. But we can simplify each term by taking out of those radicals any perfect square factors. Let's think of 20 as the product of 4 times 5. It has a perfect square factor of 4. And let's think of that number 80 as 16 times 5. It has a perfect square factor of 16. And let's factor that 500 as 100 times 5. We'll be able to take the square root of that 100. Now let's pull those out of the radical. The square root of 4 is 2. Now when that 2 comes out, it gets multiplied times the 3. The 5 stays underneath the radical. With our second term, the square root of 16 is 4. When that 4 comes out, we're going to multiply it times the 5 that's already there. This 5 stays underneath the radical. Lastly, the square root of 100 is 10. We'll take that 10 times the 4. This 5 stays underneath the radical. Multiplying, we get a 6 times the square root of 5 minus 20 times the square root of 5 plus 40 times the square root of 5. Now, as we look at these terms, they are all alike because each of them has a square root of 5. Let's combine our coefficients. 6 and a negative 20 is a negative 14. That negative 14 plus 40 is 26. Our simplified form of the expression is 26 times the square root of 5.